So hey everyone, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are talking about how to control e-waste and how we can initiate to reduce e-waste in this world and save our planet Earth. So let's get started. Roll the intro. So what is e-waste? It is a waste generated by all the electronic gadgets and it has now become a serious issue. Around every year, around 40 million metric tons of e-waste is generated all over the world. And if you talk about India, around 4 lakh metric tons of e-waste is generated just from India. So Jayant, what seems to be an issue? E-waste can be recycled and can be reused another in the future gadgets. The answer is sadly no. If you dump around 100% of e-waste, only 26% of that e-waste can be recycled. Then you might be thinking, what is happening to the rest of the e-waste which cannot be recycled? It is just dumped on the ground, and in some countries it is also thrown in water bodies such as India. This e-waste contains PVC, mercury, lead, chromium, beryllium, cadmium, gallium arsenide. These are the most harmful elements which are there in the e-waste. So if it is directly dumped in water bodies, it may affect us in the future. People in India, such as garbage collectors, are not educated and they cannot segregate normal waste with the e-waste. So we need to take some initiative to definitely segregate e-waste when we throw garbage from our house. Also in the e-waste there are chemical batteries, and if we just burn them, lot of harmful gases are being spread off. So instead of blaming the garbage collector not to segregate two things, we can take initiative to segregate these two things. Due to increase in e-waste in India in 2019, Indian government reacted and made a rule that companies who sell the products are responsible to take all the e-waste and recycle them through proper offline channels. So if you are buying a phone from OnePlus, Motorola, these all companies are responsible to properly channelize this e-waste and to recycle metal elements. And you might have seen Apple doing this. All the new iPhones such as iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro are made from recycled material. Also they have introduced their Apple upgrade programs where you can exchange the older iPhone and you can buy a new iPhone for a great price, and the old iPhone, if it is working properly, it is sold, and if the iPhone is stopped working, the parts are being recycled. And all of the new Apple products, whether it is laptops, iPads or mobiles, all of the stuff is being recycled, and Apple has been awarded a lot of times for doing these good things and saving our Mother Earth. So if we use our gadgets for entertainment, it is our responsibility that the e-waste is being disposed of through a proper channel. So now let's talk about how to control this e-waste. So rather than giving your e-waste to a local e-waste collector, you can just give this waste to manufacturers, local authorized store near your house. So that was the video guys. I hope we raised some attention to this e-waste issue, and we have to take a pledge that we will not throw our e-waste in the local garbage and we will properly dispose it through a proper channel. And I hope you are too serious about this topic, and we need to take care of our earth. If you have an e-waste at home, there will be a link in the description. There is a website who collects the e-waste and properly recycles it. So they can take the e-waste from your house. You have to just pay some money to them, and I think so everybody can pay to safeguard ourselves. So like and share this video with your friends to raise awareness on this topic of e-waste. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for amazing tech videos. And this is Jayant signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.